Fish population is in serious danger from global warming. Climate change is increasing the water temperature in rivers, lakes, and seas. This means there is less food and oxygen available for fish. It also means the fish may not grow fully and may have fewer fish fries. Some fishes will become extinct if temperatures rise even by 1 or 2 degrees Celsius. Climate change increases and pressure on fish population. Fishes are one of the world's most valuable biological assets. 40% of people in the world eat fish as their main source of protein. If we fail to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, we will increase the pressure on fish. As a result, people who depend on fish will suffer from hunger and poverty.